huge trucks. We've got another one coming. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm out in like the North Richland area. I am checking out some like, I guess like spurs, these these tracks that run upside along buildings and whatnot, businesses out here for like, I don't know, shipping and receiving. This place is like got a lot of no trespassing signs, as you can see the one behind me there, and a lot of things are fenced off, so it makes it kind of hard. But my theory about no trespassing signs is it usually means that there's something very interesting that they don't want you to see or know about. I'm not saying I'm going to trespass, definitely not, but it's just, I don't know, just something to be aware of. And I came across this the other day. I was driving, and there's a trestle, and the road was going under, and there was this train that was going over the top of it, had a graffiti and whatnot, or train riding and whatnot on it. I only caught like the last 30 seconds, which was I was kind of bummed out. But anyway, it gave me the idea that maybe I should branch out from the Pasco Train Yard and maybe explore some of these industrial areas that have like these side tracks or spurs or whatever they call them. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started and see what we can find. Okay, so I found this spot here along these tracks. There's no trespassing down there. There's no sign here. I have to make this fast. Okay, I think, man, I really want to go down there, but I think somebody's coming, so I'm gonna have to cut this short. Yeah, I'm on this road with these huge trucks driving by. I don't know what is in those things. I found this right here. It's pretty interesting. Looks like I don't know what that is. It has a horn on top, and it's on these it's like it pulls something. It's got a coupling right there. It's on these tracks. They're pretty I don't even know if they're even used. This thing is just like the graveyard of a couple of pieces of like train equipment. See inside there. Huh. Old fan. Maybe there was windows in there at one time. I don't know. Tracks definitely end there at the road, so that's as far as that goes. And we have this right here, which I have no idea what this is. It's like it used to be on rails. Somehow they got it off the rails. Sign on here says railroad builder. It's like these, I don't know what those are. It's got a motor or something there. Huh. A lot of hydraulic cables. Oh. There's the steps to it. Goes up to it. Wow. So anyway, anybody who is, you know, follows my channel and is looking for, you know, train riding, I kind of apologize. Today was, it's been kind of a mixed bag. It's like a bucket of chicken. I guess you get a little bit of everything. And I didn't really anticipate that happening, but that's kind of the way it's turned out so far. So, see what I can find. Huh. It's a little bit of everything kind of day. Huh. Wheels on the thing. Steam, I guess. Something. Wow. See the paint on here. So it's still there. Yeah, like I said, it's a kind of a everything sort of day. Came out here looking for freight cars with train riding on them, and ended up finding I don't know, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so I'm at the Port of Benton. It's where the Tri-City Railway Company is. They have like a short track that runs through part of the Tri-City area, and they're the ones that I saw the other day. That 30-second clip going over the trestle. That train that I saw was part of the Tri-City Railway. So anyway, let's see what we can find. I don't really see any freight cars parked around here. Looking at Google Earth, at one point there were some, but it's pretty empty today. This is the Tri-City Railway Company headquarters. It's a track that runs through the Tri-Cities area. Got some music going over there today. Okay, so I found this place. Said it had a public truck scale, open to the public, and I was able to park in the parking lot and come down here, and yeah, it's pretty good stuff. I don't really know if I should get on those tracks or not. I think I'm gonna go around. Got some equipment here. I'm gonna have to kind of work my way around. Some cables. Don't think I want to step on those. Ooh, pigeons. Okay, let's keep going. Get a better look at this one right here. There's another rail car. It looks like a more modern one than what we looked at earlier. Huh. It can both drive and go on the rails. Nice. Sorry, it is really rough walking out here. Okay, so there's the I'd really like to cross that open ground out there, but I just don't know. There's no trespassing signs, but that doesn't mean they're okay with it. Let's go down here. These tankers, they usually don't have anything on them. Usually pretty clean. Yeah. Nope. Okay, one more look here. Yeah, I have to make the best of it when I find something. And this place, there's no signs, no signage, no trespassing, no fences. This is great. Okay guys, well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I found you know, some train riding today, got close to some freight cars. Some I didn't get too close to. There's no trespassing signs like all over the place. And I did get kind of distracted by other things other than the train riding, which I apologize, but you know, I just sometimes can't help myself. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a like. Otherwise, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.